Bobby Maximus here, and today we are going to cover off 7 strength exercises that you can do from home that will help you build an elite level of fitness. Now listen, I'm sick and tired of your excuses, and I know you're sick and tired of them too. You can work out anywhere. The only thing you really need is a little bit of know-how and maybe a set of dumbbells. So with that in mind, let's cover off these 7 strength exercises that you absolutely need. Now the first exercise is just a simple dumbbell bench press. I think a dumbbell bench press is more functional than a barbell bench press, but these are things that you can do from home. Not everybody has a barbell at home, but most people have a set of dumbbells and a bench. So you're gonna grab your dumbbells, you're gonna put them on your knees, you've got your bench, you're gonna kick the dumbbells up, you're simply gonna press up in control, you're gonna keep your core activated, you're gonna keep your butt on the bench, you're gonna lower slowly down to your chest, and you're gonna press back up, just like this. And this is just the simple dumbbell bench press. I also like this because your arms are working independently. It adds a layer of functionality, all right? So that is the bench press. Now, question, what if I don't have a bench at home? And that might be the case. You can always drop down and give me some push-ups. I think the body weight exercises are completely 100% underrated. A simple push-up, hands shoulder width apart, chest to the ground, full press all the way back up, tight line from your head to your toes. So exercise 1 is the dumbbell bench press or the push-up. The next exercise, and listen, I absolutely love these. It is the pull-up. You know why people do lat pull-downs? Because they can't do pull-ups or they're too lazy to do pull-ups. I think having a pull-up bar at your house is absolutely 100% essential. You can have that using what I call the Tower of Power. You can get these almost anywhere these days. Mine is custom built. You're not going to get this anywhere, but you can get them on Amazon. You can get them used. You can get them at garage sales. Or you can get a pull-up bar that hangs from your door frame, all right? For the pull-up, I like the neutral grip. It's better for your shoulders, but you can use any grip that you want. You're gonna grab on, you're gonna pull yourself up till your chest hits the bar or your thumb goes in the armpit. You always wanna have the elbow go behind the center line of the body, and that is the pull-up. I think it's the greatest back developer there is. But let's say you don't have a pull-up bar and all you have is a set of dumbbells. You can do the dumbbell bent row, all right? You're gonna bend over, you're gonna brace your core, you're gonna look forward, you're gonna row up, and you're gonna row down. You're gonna row up, and you're gonna row down. And the key with this is you wanna squeeze your shoulder blades together with every single rep. Nice, slow, controlled, almost like you're starting a lawnmower, but you want that nice, slow, controlled mind-to-muscle connection. So exercise 1 was the chest, it was the pushing muscles. Exercise 2 was the pulling muscles. We got the pull-up or the bent row if all you have is dumbbells. The third, we are going to work the shoulders. You see, these 7 are going to work your entire body, all right? So we're going to work the shoulders, and my favorite is the standing overhead press. You can also do a variant of it called an Arnold press. That's what I'm going to demonstrate now. You have your hands facing you. You press up overhead, and then slowly back down. You go up overhead, and then slowly back down. If you want to do them regular, you could press here, or you could press here. But keep your core tight, keep your spine neutral, keep everything in line, and you can do a shoulder press, and that will address the shoulders. Next one, we gotta do some arms. And one of my favorite one is the hammer curl, all right? So you're gonna grab these dumbbells. You're gonna squeeze up and squeeze down. Now you'll notice me telling you to squeeze all the time, all right? The reason I'm saying that is because you want everything to be controlled. You don't want to swing. You want everything to be a nice, strict squeeze. Flex the arms, let it down nice and slow. Feet shoulder width apart, stable base, core engaged. That is the hammer curl. All right, that will adjust your biceps and your brachialis. And I also think, I believe that the hammer curl is more functional than the standard bicep curl. All right, I'm gonna lighten the weight a little bit here so we can do some skull crushers. Here we go. Now for the tricep exercise, all right? We've got the dumbbells, we got the bench. We're gonna lay back. We're gonna have these extended fully. We're gonna go back to about your ears. You're gonna kick these straight back. Just like this. This is just a standard double dumbbell tricep extension. All right, so there is one for the triceps. Bobby, I don't have a bench. I already told you this. We went over this. What do I do for my triceps? All right, I got you. Body weight only. Okay. Diamond push-ups. Just like that. Really good for those triceps. So we covered off the pushing muscles, covered off the pulling muscles, covered off overhead, covered off our biceps. We covered off our triceps. There are 5 exercises gone so far. Number 6, you know what we can't skip? Bobby Maximus, how do I train with you? You're the best trainer in the world. I love your YouTube videos. I want to train with you every single day. Well, I have the solution, and it's called Team Maximus on the Ladder app. The best fitness app on the planet and the best program on the planet. It's right here. Now, what do you get with the Ladder app? 2 things I want to talk about. 1, you get me in your ear every single workout. You get one-on-one coaching. It's like I'm in the room with you. That's number 1. Number 2, you get access to a great community, the best community in the world of like-minded people who are driven to succeed just like you are. This program, you can get it for under $30 a month. The workouts can be done in 40 minutes or less, and you need minimal equipment. It literally is the secret that you've been missing. And it's actually not even a secret. You know me. I hate hacks. I hate gimmicks. I hate 3 easy payments of $9.99. So if you're tired of the garbage in the fitness industry, you're tired of spinning your wheels, you're tired of living a second-rate existence, and you're ready to do this for real, you're ready to transform your body, you're ready to build muscle, you're ready to lose weight with one of the best coaches in the world, then sign up for the Ladder app today, and I'll see you there for your first workout. We cannot skip leg day. You do not want to look like an orange on 2 toothpicks or a Big Mac on 2 French fries. All right, so you have your dumbbells. You're going to put them up at your shoulders. You're going to squat down. You're going to stand up. During this, you want your core activated. You want to go to just below parallel. And you want to stand back up, keeping your body upright and proud. Say you didn't have dumbbells. You could do air squats. Kick these away. An air squat is just the same thing with no weight. Or you can always do some reverse lunges. All right? So there are your substitutes. So there's one more thing that we have to work. See if you can guess what it is. We've covered the chest, covered the back, we've covered the biceps, we've covered the triceps, we've covered the shoulders, covered the legs. Let's do something for our abs. And I'm going to tell you right now, the most underrated ab exercise ever created is the sit-up. I know you don't want to hear that. You want to do some crazy core exercise, but the sit-up is the classic and it works. For the sit-up, you're gonna sit down with your legs bent. You're gonna keep your core engaged. You're gonna go nice and slow. You're gonna sit up. You're gonna lower yourself nice and slow. You're gonna sit up. You're gonna lower yourself nice and slow. And that is the sit-up. So now we've covered the chest, the back, the buys, the tries, the shoulders, the legs, and the abs. What would be a good workout for you to do? How about just 3 sets of 10? Keep it simple. 3 sets of 10 bench press or push-ups, 3 sets of 10 pull-ups or bent rows, 3 sets of 10 overhead presses, 3 sets of 10 bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 skull crushers, 3 sets of 10 front squats, and 3 sets of 10 sit-ups. If you didn't have a gym and you were working out from home and all you did was that 3 times a week, and on your off days you did some form of cardio. Now, I know you don't want to hear that either. I don't want to do cardio. Can I just lift weights faster? No. Cardio is the secret sauce. Cardio will help you with the longevity. It will give you a greater work capacity, and it will give you the aesthetic you want. But if that was your program, you could build an elite level of fitness at home. And eventually you start to build on that, right? You run harder, you lift heavier weights. Maybe you build out your garage gym like I did. You get some barbells and stuff like that. But you can work out from home and build a huge level of fitness. It's easy. It just takes a little bit of willpower. I actually shouldn't say it's easy. I take it back. It ain't easy. It's simple. If you like this kind of content, real world fitness advice for real world people, subscribe, hit that bell, share with all your friends.